All right, so if you're watching this video, chances are you are a parent whose child has a great GPA. He or she is doing very well in the math subjects and every other subject for that matter in regular school. However, he or she is having a problem with doing well on SAT math. Now, I can speak confidently on this because at first, this was more or less my situation when I took the PSAT in 10th grade. I was surprised to see what it estimated my SAT score to be. It was like overall, it was like a 980 or 990 or something like that. And I was like just totally thrown off because honestly, I had not had trouble in school. I actually, made very good grades, and I even took tests well. But when I took the PSAT and it said, that was like about a 480 on a math section, I was like, come on now, like this can't be right. And so, if this is you, I was recording this video. I had a thought to record this video to encourage you specifically as a parent. So, first of all is not lost. I know a lot of times when these type of things happen, we go to trying to create contingency plans like, well, maybe my child won't be able to, maybe my child is not college material, or maybe my child needs to consider something else with school. They want to go to this dream school or whatever, and maybe they won't be able to. Please don't let that kind of thought enter into your mind because it's not true. And the truth is, the way that the SAT covers math that you've done in high school up to algebra 2. Okay. But the thing is, unless you are reminding yourself of that math, then chances are you're going to forget some of it. Okay. It doesn't mean that you never knew how to do it. It just means that it's been a while. Okay. And so, what I did when I saw that low SAT score, I embarked on my own self study, and I was very diligent, I was focused, and I was able to see my score go up from the math section alone went up a little over, well, almost 200 points. Probably about 160 points. My math section went up um like that, from the PSAT all the way to like my highest on the SAT. Okay. So with diligence, with consistency, and with faith, your child will be fine. And your child can get the score that they want to get. Okay. And so what I have done is one of the things as the owner of MassWap Tutoring, one of the things I do is SAT prep. And I have done many problems, not just when I was in high school, but even in recent days when I tutor other kids in SAT math, that have showed me doing these problems has showed me some of the key types of math that kids need to remember for the SAT. So it's caused me to develop a lot more experience, such that I believe if I took the SAT even today, I would score even higher on the SAT. All of that said, I'm doing a series of free SAT math workshops. You don't want to miss them because we're going to give you strategies to help your child help your child improve his or her score. You want to make sure you don't miss it, and your child can come along as well. Okay, so hopefully you guys will join me. But the main gist of this video is be encouraged. All is not lost. I was there, and I'm a witness that everything will be all right. I got into school I wanted to get into. I got 2 engineering degrees, and it all worked out. Hopefully, this encourages you. Hopefully, this encourages you. A great SAT score can significantly increase your child's chances for getting scholarships to pay for their education, as well as for getting into the colleges of their choice. But what if your child is having trouble with the math section of the SAT? I invite you to join me in my workshop called An Introduction to SAT Math Mastery: 3 Key Strategies for Making a 600 or Higher. In this workshop, I'm going to show you 3 key tips for preparing your child for SAT math so that your child can take the test confidently and be prepared to score a 600 or higher. To register, visit the description below and click the link. See you there.